Here I've got ELEPHONE P8000 and let me show you how to activate battery saving mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, open the list of all applications, then find and select the settings, scroll down, and pick battery, and now tap on more icon, which is 3 dots one in the right upper corner, this one, and now click on battery saver. And here you can simply activate it by tapping on this switcher, so simply click here, and now your battery saving mode is on, it's active. And you can also pick turn on automatically feature, so just click on turn on automatically and you can pick either 5% or 15% of battery, so every time your battery is lower than, for example, 15%, battery saving mode will be automatically activated. So that's it. This is how you can set up the automatic battery saving mode and also how you can manually activate it whenever you need to. Then you can switch it off simply by tapping on the same switcher as in the beginning. So that's it. This is how you can save the battery in your ELEPHONE. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.